Need some dusting. I really should do some cleanup and maybe should get some fairy lights over here. What do you think? And a nice painting, maybe something really beautiful. What should I eat this evening? Something delicious, something different. Maybe I should make something nice. And I've been really missing my sister. Maybe I should call her. I wonder what my friends are doing right now. And I really need to get some new clothes, Does that sound something like you? Well, maybe you too are a Taurus rising sign. Namaste, I'm Chandramukhi and welcome to Astro Saraswat, your celestial guide. Today we will be discussing about Taurus rising signs. What does that mean? What does it mean to have Taurus as your rising sign or your ascendant sign? Well, that means that at the time of your birth, it was the sign Taurus which was there in the eastern horizon, and that makes you a Taurus rising person. Now, what does that mean? First thing is that Taurus is ruled by the planet Venus. Venus is all about beauty, love, luxury, comfort. So for Taurus rising people, it is extremely important to have a very beautiful home. That is the first thing actually. Specifically for Taurus rising people, they need an extremely beautiful surrounding, an extremely beautiful setting. They always like home decor and doing things which makes the surroundings look more beautiful, which makes the home more comfortable, more cozy, more luxurious, something which they can really enjoy. That is the nature of a Taurus person. They love to relish beauty and luxury and comfort. Well, that's how Taurans are. Now, the other thing is that they are very much attached to their family. Their family life and family members are very important for Taurans. Also, what is important is good and delicious food. They love to eat nice, sumptuous and delicately and beautifully made cuisines, different things which are, art. They really appreciate art, whether it's at home, whether it's in the food. They also can be good communicators. They can speak very nicely, of course, depending on the other planets present in the chart. But Taurians do have a tendency of having a good ability to speak. It is an earth sign. So another thing which is very important for Taurians is stability. They like to be stable. And with stability comes a certain amount of stubbornness as well. They can be a bit stubborn. When they put their head to something, when they want something, they can be pretty stubborn about it. Well, this sign is also very good at maintaining things. So like Aries are excellent at pioneering, at starting off things. Taurians are expert at maintaining balance, at maintaining whatever is there, maintaining a beautiful surrounding, beautiful home. That is what Taurians are expert at. Ruled by Venus, Taurians are really into love and sensory pleasure. Now, what they need to learn is actually a certain amount of detachment and being a bit more flexible. Because of being an earth sign, they can be very stubborn, very fixed in their ideas, in their ways of doing things. So a certain amount of flexibility should be brought into life, and a certain amount of detachment should be practiced, or else a person can be very much engrossed in family and luxury and comforts of life. So that is how Taurians are. Let us know if you too are a Taurian and how do you show up in the world. Stay tuned for the rest of the zodiac signs as rising signs, and like and comment and share this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Namaste.